Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream by powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: whipped cream powder, very cold milk, and a mixing bowl. For optimal results, ensure your milk is thoroughly chilled, ideally straight from the refrigerator. You might also consider chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for about 15 minutes beforehand. This extra step can significantly enhance the cream's texture and volume. Now, let's get mixing. Pour the whipped cream powder into your chilled bowl, then add the very cold milk. Begin mixing on a low speed with an electric mixer to prevent any powder from flying out. Once combined, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Continue mixing until the cream thickens and soft or firm peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Knowing when to stop mixing is key to perfect whipped cream. Look for soft peaks that hold their shape but still have a slight curl at the tip. If you prefer a firmer cream, continue mixing until stiff peaks form, standing straight up when the whisk is lifted. Be careful not to overmix, as this can cause the cream to become grainy or even separate, losing its smooth, airy texture. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over desserts, fruits, or beverages for the best taste and texture. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. It's a simple way to keep your car smelling fresh and clean, just like your kitchen after making this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.